Hello, Lavi. So, join me for another day na mag-stepper workout challenge ta. So, if you can see, back area lang sa ato ipakita karon kay wala ko nag-bra. Actually, gikan ra ko nag-work and after work, I decided to work out right away cause naa pa ko'y daghan energy. So, if you can see, I still have the same figures akong arms and I have the purple weights na which weigh 5 pounds each. So, mao na siya akong gigamit para matone ang akong muscles. If you can see my back, nindot na kayo ang mga muscles. Maklaro gyud siya, guys, na na-form na siya and na-tone na siya. And I just need to work on my flabby arms. Kay, kana lisod gyud na siya tangtangon. So, consistent lang yun ang ato ang feet or atong legs sa pag-exercise sa atong stepper para matone siya and also ang atong butt and atong thigh area. So, nindot gud ni siya na workout, guys. Kay aside from the legs, I'm also toning and working out my arms. So, thank you so much for joining me in my workout today. Layo pa gyud ang 30 days, guys, kay sige man kog stop. Actually, I was planning to go on a workout day to day, as in daily gyud siya, guys, pero dili gyud kaya. So, see you again next time.